In this segment, we're going to talk about how to use a control on a hot tub. While controls may look different from spa to spa, they're going to typically have similar functions. You can determine what the temperature of the water is within the spa itself. You can increase or decrease your desired water temperature. You can turn and off. You can also, many times will have the time, what time it is, in case you've lost track in the relaxation. You can change the different settings on the spa to determine when the spa is going to come on to filter. This is important when you have the spa close to the house and you may not want it coming on in the middle of the night. You can also use the controls to turn the jets on and off. Pumps typically have 2 speeds and have 2 pumps in the larger spas. They can come on either in or push it one more time to turn it on in high speed.